day, everyone. My name is Arthur Guerrero, representing grade 12 Saturn. Sometimes, the character of Pocahontas, sometimes the right path is not always easiest. Thank you.
From 12B Saturn, representing the character of Ligia from the apocalyptic novel of Omniscient Reader's Viewpoint. Wait lang po. Tell me, if you really are a character from a fictional story, then why did you die for us over and over?
Why? I don't know why. Don't ask me next question. Next question. Nakatugtog pa tayo mga
Anastasia once said, "It is the beauty that captures the attention, yet it is the personality that touches the heart."
And for our main category for grade 12 participants, starting with number 1.
Pleasant afternoon to all of you. My name is Jerry Scorial, representing grade 12 Jupiter. I'm proud to say I'm impersonating Prince Philip, who's being generous and impersonal. I will wait for you, no matter how long it takes. And when I do, I will await you with a kiss. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Elisabeth Lucini from grade 12 Mars. And my character is Plague Doctor. The plague is frosty. Thank you so much.
grade 12. And
Face the judges.
And my character is Leon F. Kennedy. The residents are truly me.
My name is Luis Inigo Vicente Dorian. I am from grade 12 and my character is Zeus, the god of lightning.